Today I'm going to be unboxing and doing a quick review for the Ailun Tripod 2. This is a nifty little tripod that is about 8 inches in height that can hold your phone and record videos if you like. So let's get right to it. Packaging is very simple. Going to get a little piece of paper that basically tells you to go to a couple of different websites and watch a video on using it, I guess. Tripod itself seems to be pretty good quality, very firm legs. They are stiff, they're not flimsy like some of the cheaper brands are. You can adjust and bend as needed. At the top you do have a toggle that will loosen the top of the stand. And it looks like you have a slight adjustment here that will then allow you to push the toggle on one side to release the shoe. I can see where this would be a lot easier to release the top part of the shoe. Screw this onto the stand that comes with this, and then hook your phone to it, and then take everything that you've assembled and slide it back into the shoe. I can see where that would be beneficial. And then to prevent accidental release, you can tighten this lock down. Again, everything seems to be in fairly decent quality. It is plastic, however, so just like all plastic, it can crack and break. It also comes with the attachment. I can either screw from a flat standpoint or a standing position. It does have a spring load to set your phone in. I can see this is a little difficult, and I can see where you could pinch fingers. I kind of wish it had some type of release that would allow you to easily open it up without the strong spring and then clamp as needed and not do what I just did, pinch my finger. As of right now, that's the only drawback I see. I see where this is beneficial to be able to release the shoe, attach it to your stand. Hook your phone, and then slide it back into the shoe. I do like that feature. A lot of these you have to twist the whole stand, or it has the shoe itself is very loose, but this seems to be a very good solution. So you can stand it up like so. Loosen the shoe to do a tilt in case you wanted to hold the phone up this way. However, I see that it's now top heavy, so it will toggle over. So if you would have to adjust the legs out, like so, in order to prevent it from toppling over. So that's doable. And I like these legs if you're out, let's say on a kid's playground or something, or in the woods. You can take these legs and actually wrap them around on monkey bars or a tree limb, as an example. So I can see where that would come in handy. Like I said, the legs are very sturdy, very stiff. Not cheaply made that I can see. Anyway, it seems to be a pretty decent quality. Can easily adjust up, tighten it, move the legs around. Another drawback might be not having the retractable legs to bring it up and lower it, but if you had to lower it a little bit, you could just stretch the legs out like so. But you are limited in regards to the height. And it looks like the legs themselves are about 4.5 inches, and the overall height, and we're looking about 10 inches. So there you go. A snapshot of the Ailun Foam Tripod. I'll try to put some additional comments down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you've seen today, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in.